Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install React and you can create React app on Windows 11. At first, you have to download Node.js. So go to your favorite browser and type here Node.js, hit enter, go for the download, click here get node.js and download the .msi, okay? .msi. Don't go with zip, just go with the .msi, okay? Fine. So I'm assuming that you can download it and install it. So basically what you have to do, you have to actually install it. Here you can see I have the file. So just double click on it and then go for the next and then install. Okay. So after that, when you install it, you have to actually set environment variable. So in Windows 11, it's automatically added. But if you are using, previous Windows, let's say Windows 10, so you have to actually add it manually, or in any case, let's say you don't have environment variable, so that time actually you have to set it. Okay, if you set environment variable, you can actually access it globally. Okay, so first of all, you have to type here env and you will find something like this. Just click here open or just hit enter. Okay, and then click here environment variables, and here you have option path under system variable. So here you can see we have another path here, so don't go with this one, go under system variables. Okay, select path, click here edit, and here you can see that I have already added it. I mean, it's actually added automatically. If it is not added automatically, if you don't find this kind of URL, what you have to do, you have to go to the installation drive. So I have installed it in C drive, and I will suggest you to actually install it in C drive. So just go to the C drive and then program files, and then you will find Node.js folder. Just click here address bar, okay, and right click on it and then copy the path, okay, and add it to the environment variable by clicking here new, then edit. After that, you have to press OK. So I already have this, so I'm going to delete this. And now let's say you have added it. Now click OK, OK, then OK. Fine. Now if you say here cmd, hit enter, and if you type here node --version, here you can see the latest version. Now we'll install React and we'll create React app. Okay, so to do this, you have to go to the browser and you have to say here reactjs, hit enter, and here you can see React first option. Just click here React, this link, first link, and then you have the option here API reference and learn React. Just click here learn React, and we have here option installation. Okay, so click here installation. Here you can see in the left side, and when you click here, you can see there is another option. This is called creating a React app. So click here. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you will find here some command. Here you can see terminal npx create next app, then latest, right? So we will actually copy this. At first we will copy this, so click here copy, it will be copied. Now what I can do is I can actually go to the drive where actually I want to install it. So let's just go with the downloads. I mean, I will actually install here. Okay, I mean, I will create project here. You can create anywhere in your PC. So just what you have to do, you have to actually open cmd here. So let's say you are in the document. So what you have to do, you have to click here in the address bar and then type here cmd and hit enter. It will actually open command prompt here. So I'm going to go to the downloads folder and I will click here address bar and I will say here cmd, hit enter. So now here you can see I am in the downloads folder. Now I will right click on it because I have copy from here. So when I right click on it, it will actually paste, okay, the command. Now I will press enter, and here you can see what is your project name. So it asking me the project name. Now let's say I want to say here let's say React, okay, and I will say yummy. Okay, React yummy, hit enter. Would you like to use transcript? So here you can see there is two options, no and yes. If you press arrow key, okay, left or right arrow key from your keyboard, there's a left arrow key, it will actually go for the no, and then here you can see, and then if you press right arrow key, it will go for the yes, and after that hit enter if you want to use transcript. Okay, so hit enter. Done. Now which would you like to use? Okay, fine, I'll actually go with the none, because let's just go with the none. And would you like to use tailwind css? No, I will not. So I will say here left arrow key. So now my selected option is no. I'll hit enter. Fine. Would you like to code instead a source directory? We'll say no. Would you like to use app route? We'll say yes. Would you like to use turbo pack? We'll say yes. And we'll say no. And here you can see it's working. It means it's installing all the dependencies. And here you can see found. So we have actually create react yamin, right? Now we'll actually go to that directory. So cd to change directory. Then we'll say here react yamin. Now here you can see currently we are in react yamin directory, right? Now we can actually clear the screen, or we can say here cls. Okay, fine. Now if we say here npm start, and here you can see we got it. Now we just have to copy this. Okay, so select it and press enter. Okay, and open it in the browser. So paste it and hit enter. Cannot reach the page. Okay, so maybe there is some issue, and here you can see couldn't find a production build next directory. Next build. Okay, so we can actually say here npm run build. Okay, hit enter. Here we go. Now we can actually say here npm run npm start, right? Yeah, hit enter. Here we go. Now it's working perfectly. Now if we copy it, I mean select it and then press enter to copy this, and now we'll paste it here and hit enter. And here we go, we have successfully create our next.js project, right? So let me show you the project. Here you can see, if I go to the downloads, so we have here react yamin, right? And this is our project. Here you can see. So guys, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this.